The highly anticipated successor of the Canon EOS R5, the EOS R5 Mark II has arrived, and we've had the chance to get hands-on with this powerful mirrorless camera. As early adopters, we've been testing the R5 Mark II's capabilities in real-world scenarios to see how it performs. In this video, we'll share our in-depth impressions of Canon's latest flagship camera. We'll explore its strengths, unpack the key features, and assess whether the upgrades are worth the value. So, without further ado, let's start the video. The Canon EOS R5 II has a familiar yet refined design, weighing just 746 grams. With a 3.2-inch vari-angle display, it can be beefed up with an optional grip for better balance with larger lenses. The standout feature is the new 5.76 m.0 LED electronic viewfinder, which Canon says is twice as bright and blackout-free. This EVF also introduces improved eye control autofocus, allowing the camera to track your eye movements and automatically move the focus point. The camera has a durable magnesium alloy body with weather sealing, dual card slots, and cooling vents on the underside to prevent overheating during extended use. It also has an HDMI port and a tally lamp to show if you're recording or not. The R5 Mark II builds upon its predecessor's capabilities with several significant enhancements. One of them is the improved in-body image stabilization, now offering up to 8.5 stops of shake correction. The refined intelligent dual-pixel autofocus system utilizes deep learning technology to prioritize subjects, tracking faces and key sporting moves with impressive accuracy. Burst shooting has also been boosted, with the ability to capture up to 30 FPS with pre-recording, allowing you to capture the perfect moment. For video workflows, the addition of proxy recording can streamline post-production. The R5 Mark II's powerful features provided exceptional performance across a range of challenging scenarios. While the EOS R5 Mark II retains the same 45-megapixel sensor resolution as its predecessor, the faster processor and stacked sensor design yield notable improvements. The camera minimizes rolling shutter distortion by up to 40%, aiding in capturing fast motion. Canon's new AI-powered upscaling feature can quadruple image size to an astounding 180 megapixels, providing enough headroom for detailed crops. In-camera noise reduction also impresses, though some processed look is visible upon close inspection. On the video side, the R5 Mark II offers an excellent 8K 60p RAW capture, 4K 120p, and even 240 FPS at 2Ka versatile range for filmmakers. The lack of an open gate mode is a slight disappointment, but the overall video capabilities are highly compelling. The camera uses the new LPE6P battery, which is an upgrade from the previous battery. It provides more sustained power, allowing the camera to support advanced features like pre-burst shooting, HDMI RAW output, dual shooting, and use with high-powered devices. While the SIPA rating is 250 shots per charge using the viewfinder and 540 shots using the LCD, real-world usage can vary significantly, especially with more burst shooting. The camera can be charged via USB, but requires the new PDE-2 power adapter. The EOS R5 II is set to launch with a price tag of $4,299, around 10% more than the original EOS R5. While the price increase reflects the new features, it may make it less competitive against some competitors like the Nikon Zeit. Additionally, Canon will offer 3 optional grips, which will ensure enhanced functionality and battery life. Wrapping up, we can say the Canon EOS R5 II is a significant upgrade over its predecessor, packed with a host of impressive features and performance enhancements. The camera's refined design, brighter and more responsive viewfinder, and advanced autofocus capabilities make it an interesting option for a wide range of photographers and videographers. The improvements to in-body stabilization, burst shooting speeds, and video capabilities position the R5 II as a versatile tool capable of excelling in challenging conditions. While the price tag is higher than the original R5, the value proposition is compelling given the substantial upgrades it offers. For current EOS R5 owners looking to upgrade, the R5 Mark II is a fantastic choice that delivers a significant performance boost across the board. That's all for today. What are your thoughts on the camera? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to get more updates like this.